Stop! That's Evelyn's book!
For Evelyn!
Now everyone will remember this.
The weather today is great. Gloomy, just like my outfit. Mia, please close the door gently. They turned around so fast.
This is Grandma Evelyn's funeral. Then why does it look so boring? I am sorry, sir.
I would like to offer my condolences to the family. I'm going to shoot a short video to post. Oh, I'm running low on ideas lately. Smile, Kathy. You are not allowed to take photos here. I like it that way. Put it away before entering. Move. You are blocking my angle. The photo setup looks expensive. Please lower your eyes respectfully. Stop filming the memorial photo. It is already on display. Then stop making her photo public. Do not touch the memorial table. I barely touched anything.
Why is she filming me?
Because you look tragic. Leave Lily alone now. Sit properly, please. Even sitting offends people here.
That noise scared me.
Then cover your ears better.
Do not take photos of crying people.
Crying people create stronger emotion. Let me take a picture. The boy looks cute. Do not scare him more. He scares too easily.
I'm going to distort these candles a little.
Are you laughing at this? I am making it less depressing.
We gather to honor Grandma Evelyn.
Do not touch your phone again. Then entertain me yourself.
Please stop it.
At least the room woke up.
touching my phone!
This is a funeral service.
Then make it less lifeless. They were already miserable.
Would anyone like some water?
Finally, something useful. Daniel is helping everyone. He is carrying water, not saving lives. Maybe you should hold it properly. The water is spreading. Then clean it faster. You knocked it over. He made it easy. Please sign Grandma Evelyn's memorial book. That book looks ancient. This matters to her family. Everything matters too much here. Please write gently. Mia, stop ruining it. It needed personality.
Was that for Grandma Evelyn?
Now it is less boring.
You crossed every line today.
Then stop drawing lines.
Place your flowers with quiet hearts.
We will honor her carefully. I do not want to drop it.
You protected what Mia tried to ruin.
Respect often appears through small actions.
Small actions matter when hearts are broken.